So we're really looking forward to the Understanding and Expressing Emotions workshop coming up in May. I like, for example, really that we do so much explorative work. So you, as a participant, you get to have your own experience in a guided setting where you really learn on a deeper level things about your own emotions, how your body works, how your tensions work. And also you learn tools how to express your feelings. And it's really nice to see participants sometimes have an insight or get something about themselves just by working so practically.
Yeah, it's one of my favorite workshops because we can go deeper. Now we both of us like it very much to go underneath the surface to help you to really connect with the heart of your own emotions and the most unexpressed one or difficult ones for you. And we love to see you opening up emotionally, feeling lighter, feeling also empowered with shining eyes at the end of the workshop. And we really hope you like to join us in this adventure. And there is still a discount possible until the end of March. And also, if you bring a friend, it is open to everyone because we love to help everyone.
And if you come by yourself, also know that in our groups, we very quickly often create already a really nice group atmosphere. That's also one of the things I really like the most about these longer days. So
let's hope to see you there.
See you then.
Bye.